Good morning. We are on to day number 4 of our trip, and today's going to be a little bit of a more relaxed day. We're going to stay in town here, not do a ton of driving. We have done a ton of driving for 3 days now in a row. My poor husband, because he does the majority of it. So we are going to stay here in town. We're going to go get a little breakfast at a little cafe here. We might go to a grizzly bear sanctuary thing that's not too far away and see some grizzly bears, so that'll be fun. Real quick, I wanted to talk about sleep. Sometimes, actually most of the time when I travel, I have trouble sleeping, just being away from home and excitement and everything's different. And so the last 2 nights I really struggled with getting a good amount of sleep, and so I decided to run to the store last night and pick up a couple things, and I wanted to show you what I got because it worked really, really well. I was able to sleep almost 8 hours straight. I was so happy when I woke up this morning. So what I got was L-tryptophan, and this traditional medicinals nighty night with valerian root. And I've used this before quite a bit, and I should have brought some because I have some at home. I just wasn't thinking to bring that, but I was so happy that I was able to find it at the store here. And I took 3 capsules like in the evening, not right at bedtime, just in the evening to start winding down. And then a little bit later, I took, I had a cup of this tea. And then right before I went to bed, I had 2 more of these. And it's not something you can really overdose on easily. It's a natural thing that comes from protein. It's an amino acid that you would get in protein. So I took 2 more right before I went to bed, and I slept fantastic. How is it?
It's very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very crispy on the outside. Sticky on the inside.
What'd you get? Wow, that's like more whipped cream than hot chocolate. What did you get? A mocha. Is it good? You're just eating a cup of whipped cream?
Because it became a spoon.
Oh my goodness. After a nice leisurely morning, we are headed out to a grizzly bear encounter. There's a place here that does grizzly rescues for bears that have been in captivity that they can't release back into the wild. Gives them a nice happy life, and you can go visit them and see them. So we'll see how that is. It's really close, so not a lot of driving, which is really nice.
It's a big bear. I know how big it gets when it's adult.
It is an adult, Sarah.
Oh.
It's 6
Not
years
big
old.
enough yet.
That's an adult for a bear.
What? How?
He said in captivity it's like 30 to 40 years.
Look how big his paws are.
Her name is Bella.
Bella's cute. What?
Looks kind of like a toddler. Short legs, fat little body.
Fat big body.
Whoa. That's good. Bella, we're over here. Yeah, loose skin. Whoa.
Say hello to us.
Oh. Whoa.
She's cute. For some reason it looks like Poe. I don't know why.
You think it looks like Poe. Oh. Scared away the birds. Pull your mask down for a second. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Talia won. Oh, yeah. Those rocks are so pretty.
Slippery too.
Yeah.
Some of them start looking like they're red from the rain.
Yeah, they're wet, so it makes the color darker. Oh, that was a good one. That made it all the way across. Oh no! Talia's been eaten by the rare Montana lion. It's a drinking fountain. Look at that.
Doesn't work.
That looks amazing.